one thing I don't want to do today is anything because I'll give you a rundown of what's up. 36 degrees out there. It's humid like Africa, and my beautiful wife needs to have a project finished. And we both know that if we sit here, nothing will get done. But if we just get up and start moving a little bit in small incremental doses, we'll get this whole project complete. So here's the rundown. We're gonna go pick up a fucking 500-pound sewing machine out of the out of the shipping container that's located about 100 meters away. But in order to do this, we have to take the tractor. Let's go.
Oh yeah, Mama, we're in business.
Because this thing, like I said, is 500 pounds. We got to bring it out, disassemble it, and then move it into her sewing studio. And then reassemble it, all in 36-degree weather. But you know, one thing that's on our side is that we're biots and we never think about shit. We just fucking do it. And when you do it, it gets done. Let's go. Before we do this, we're going to have a healthy dose of procrastination. So 2 coffees coming up. So now that our procrastination is now over, we can go and see if we can fire up the tractor, because that is always fun. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's get this show on the road. If you're gonna get married, make sure you treat your wife really well. This is the size of the machine that we gotta pick up. After a little bit of back and forth, we got it. Just moving this damn thing closer to the studio, and that's when we'll start tearing it down. But let's not get too happy about it yet, because we're not even near the studio yet. Anything can happen from here to the forum. Nothing moves fast on a farm. And if you're the type of person who's in a rush, this isn't the lifestyle for you. You'll get frustrated and you'll make mistakes. And every mistake on a farm, well, it costs a lot of money. We're getting close though. Right there. So we got it in one piece, and now we got to get it through here, and through here, and in that door. See how happy she is? That's all you want to see. Cutie pie, smiling. So we did it. We got the machine inside the shop without incident. So we got it done. You know, it wasn't as hard as we ever thought. And the procrastination part, we were just kidding about that. We always have a little powwow before we do anything. And it's important not to let your head get in the way, because if you chop up a task like that into small pieces, anything can get done. One of my favorite sayings is, how do you eat an elephant? And the answer is, one bite at a time. There you have it.